Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, condolences messages are pouring in for ifamily kaGogo Skhotheni kanye ke no ex-husband wakhe Mr. Shange after they confirmed the passing of Monde Jr., their son. Guys, bathi ke Monde Jr. departed this life at 15 p.m. on Monday, September the 2nd of September 2024 at Busamed Hospital. Nizokhumbula guys ukuthi ke ingane kaGogo Skhotheni yayizalwe ine medical condition selokhu yazalwa nje guys ibihlele esibhedlela yayinenkinga yokuthi ke yabona leli pipe leli othi mawudla ngalo lithatha ukudla straight likusesiswini, so yena ke umntwana ngazi ukuthi la emphinjeni belinqamuka ipipe lingasebenzi, so bemedla ukudla kungakwazi ukuhamba kuze kufike esiswini. So ke he was using a tube leli ke abamfaka lona abalibiza ngokuthi ke a peg tube ukuthi ke akwazi ukuthi ke adle ukudla kuhambe kesiswini. So guys, yeah man, that is the situation. So yeah, they lost the child izolo ngabo 3 after ke ukulwa ke nalempilo isikhathi eside kakhulu. UDumi have been sharing ukuthi ke umntana wakhe une condition kanjani, but ke guys, it's so painful. The family kindly request privacy as they navigate this deep and painful loss, but together they ask for your understanding and compassion in giving them a space they need during this difficult time of grieving. Akekho ke umzali ofanele ukuthi ke angcwabe ingane yakhe. I believe ukuthi ke na uDumi benethemba lokuthi ke umntwana ke ngoba besikhuluma besedlala yonke into bese right beside ke ukuthi une condition bengazi ukuthi ngempela ke i-situation izobangcono, but ke unfortunately umntwana ke udlulile ke emhlabeni. Social media uyakhalisana kakhulu nabo la inkundla zokuxhumana bathi nje akwehlanga olungehliyo. May Monde Jr.'s soul rest in peace. Lala kahle bakithi baby boy. Bye.
I'm going to sneeze now. I just want to see if he's going to sneeze back.